In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit team settings in Asana. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, click Continue with Google. If you're prompted, choose the Google account you use with Asana. After you're signed in, navigate to the project associated with the team whose settings you want to adjust. You can do that from your home view or the sidebar by selecting the project you want to work on. At the top right of the project, next to the Share button, you'll see a small team or members icon. Click that to open the Team and Project Access panel. This panel is your control center for who can see the project and what they're allowed to do. Under the access settings, you can see whether the project is open to your organization, limited to team members, or restricted to specific people. Adjust this to match your needs. For sensitive work, keep it limited to the team. When broader collaboration is required, open it up thoughtfully. As a general rule, wider access can increase noise and accidental edits, so aim for the least access that still enables people to do their jobs. Below, you'll see the list of current members. Next to each person's name, there's a drop-down menu with permission options. Use that drop-down to edit access for each member. Choose full edit permissions for collaborators who will create and manage tasks and sections, and switch others to comment only if they just need to follow progress without making changes. If you're reducing someone's access, it's a good idea to let them know so they understand the change and aren't surprised by new limitations. From the same interface, you can invite new members. Use the invite field to search for teammates by name or enter their work email. Adding a short message gives context about why you're inviting them and what you want them to focus on, which helps them ramp up quickly. If you're inviting external guests, double check that you're using the correct address and that your visibility settings reflect what they should be able to see. When you're done, review the list one more time to confirm the right people have the right level of access, then close the panel. Your changes take effect immediately. You've now logged in with Google, opened your project, used the team icon to access the settings panel, adjusted member permissions with the drop-down, and invited people from the same place. Revisit these settings periodically to keep collaboration smooth, secure, and aligned with your team's needs.